First line. My favorite vegetable is carrot. Second line. It is orange in color and very healthy. Third line. Carrots are rich in vitamins and good for our eyes. Fourth line. I like to eat carrots in salads and curries. Fifth line. My mother also makes delicious carrot halwa. Sixth line. Carrots grow under the soil. Seventh line. They are crunchy and slightly sweet in taste. Eighth line. Eating carrots keeps our body strong and fit. Ninth line. Farmers grow carrots in many parts of the world. 10th line. I love carrots because they are tasty and nutritious.